What is up? So, I finally got this video uploaded and got Bo's channel made. It's live. Link is in the description. There'll also be a thing at the end of the video if I figure out how to do that. His first video is up there too, so go check that out. Subscribe, give him a like, leave him a lovely little comment. What'd you get?
What'd you get?
Vlogception. Nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna doze off for a little bit. Yep, the new vlog is up, and also told you guys Bo's channel's up. We're over here discussing all business stuff. Goes with new YouTube channels and stuff and things and stuff. How many times did I say stuff? Too many. Oh. Well. I'm back. Not the truck, the restaurant behind it. Yep, Roadhouse. Back here at the Roadhouse. Getting ready to go into my follow-up interview, which I have a good idea. I sounded really confident in yesterday's video, and I still am confident, but I realized that maybe I executed too much confidence. You know, fingers crossed I got this job. I'm pretty sure I did, but I'm just saying. Alright, well, I was right. Actually, I wasn't right. I was right to be cautious because he had to call the other store, make sure I was still rehireable, and then go through all this other stuff with me. But I'm going back on Friday at 2:30, so we can start. And he wants to finish my paperwork and just get me on the floor as soon as possible. So that's good. But yeah, I got a job. I'm officially a roadie again. I figured, you know, it's been a while since we've gone on a drive together, so I brought my little trusty tripod. And we're gonna go on a drive. I think I found a good spot to go herping. So hopefully my camera stays on there. Please, camera, stay on there, don't fall. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I just got here. You'd think I'd remember, but I don't. This is different. Okay, bumps are bad. Like, anything really is just bad for the camera.
450 feet.
Oh, this is not a good idea. What? My camera randomly falls. I'm just gonna have that be the end of the clip. Wait, where are you taking me? Okay, I can't. This is not safe. This is a bad idea. Maybe I just don't need to. I'm talking. Taking me a whole different direction than what I took to get here, and it's throwing me off. Am I good? Am I good? I think I'm good. Oh God, I hope I'm good. Oh, I gotta hold the camera. I'm gonna die.
In half a mile, turn left onto Millertown Pike.
Change your tone. Pretty sure the camera's crooked now because I don't know how to vlog. Hi, my name's Jordan. I'm a YouTuber. I do daily vlogs. I have no idea how to vlog. Sounds about right. I can't see. My phone keeps sliding into my crotch. Hope if you stayed in your lane. Yeah, I'm smoking. Shut up. Now I figured, you know, you guys don't leave comments hardly anymore, so maybe if I light up a cigarette, that'll spark a little fire under your butt. Just kidding. Kind of. So with it getting warmer, I was really excited about it. Every single year I do this. I always forget that when it gets warmer, bees also come out, and I am terrified of bees, as you guys know. Well, if you didn't, now you do. It's a little flying little demons, little flying Nazi demons. I hate them. I'd rather take on a 10-foot king cobra than a bee. And I was out on Bo's deck today, smoking a cigarette, and these two wasps just would not leave me alone. That's my story. I gotta say something. It's just a red light. It's the longest red light in the history of red lights. Oh, it's green. Oh my God, my camera. Oh, I got a text message from Bo. It says nothing. Good job, Bo. Oh, this is where I go. Okay. Bo, I almost missed my turn for your non-substance having text messages. You're gonna hear about that later. Well, if Bo's up, maybe he can go herping with me. Or he just woke up, texted me something to try to kill me, and then fell back to sleep.
Use the left 2 lanes to merge onto.
Shh! I'm hearing frogs! Shut up, I'm trying to figure out where they're at. I'm trying to herp. So I've decided, now that I've gotten back here to the house, instead of driving out somewhere crazy, try herping in the backyard. It looks like it's promising, well, with the exception of the bees. they could die, you know.
Don't be a sis.
Dude, bees are evil and they're from hell.
They won't bother you if you don't bother them, just like snakes. And there are no bees that are poisonous.
I hate you so much. You don't have to be at work. Alright, so I'm quickly realizing that, oh, a bee. Quickly realizing I don't think I thought all this stuff through because I got the snake hook right here, so that's just smart. And I also need something to cut down these trees with, so snake hook in one hand and bringing this medieval sword that's really modern day. There is a, what is this? It's a fishing rod. What? Fishing pole. It's broken. Well, that's all the crap we're going up into. I guess we'll pick it up and find something. So, I haven't found anything yet, but you guys can see how good this habitat is. I mean, timbers, copperheads, stuff over in this area that I could go check out, but it's also a lot of flat stuff. This is where we need to be laying our boards. Look at all this. Right in my own backyard. That is... Rob, I hope you're jealous right now. Even though I haven't found anything, it's not seeming like it's a real productive spot, but blowing my mind I haven't found anything yet. I mean, I'm not expecting a timber out the gate, but at least garter snake or something. I mean, it's been raining a lot here lately, and everything that I flipped was like waterlogged. I guarantee if I got up in those crevices, there might be something up in there, but I'm gonna say bow for that one. Is there anything in there?
Yes.
Hoping for at least. There's a little trail that kind of goes down that way. I think I'm gonna try that. Hoping for at least like a copperhead or something. By the way, free herping tip. If you're going herping, stick in the woods. Bring a machete-like device, because yeah, comes in handy. See what happens. God, this makes me nervous because this is prime copperhead habitat. Oh, that'd been really cool if there had just been a big timber sitting right there. Anything up under there? Doesn't look like it. What do you guys think of this, like, POV style herping? I wanted to get a GoPro headset and actually do it like that, but... Oh, this goes around to their yard! This is awkward. And we made it out alive. Nice. Okay, well... I'm pouring sweat, but yeah, that's, give you guys a taste of what herping in my backyard is gonna be like. That's it. Whew. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. By the way, Bo's channel is up and live, like I said before. Either in the link in the description or one of the videos that pops up here at the end will be his first video. So go check that out, subscribe, show him love. And I'm gonna go take a shower probably because I reek and I am drenched in sweat. Another free herping tip: when it's 70 degrees outside, don't protect yourself from thorns with a sweatshirt, a regular shirt, and a big jacket. You're welcome.